Ma'am, can you speak the three words again? Because
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon to everyone. I'm going to repeat the words. Don't worry. Let everybody join in first, okay? Only 5 students are here, so let's wait for others to join.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we will continue our dictation works.
Yes, we are going to continue the dictation words.
good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, what we'll do?
Beta, we will continue the dictation. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So the 3 words that I spoke in the last period were, the first word was contamination. The second word was sources. And the third word was, what was the third word, Pratyusha?
Ma'am, I didn't write the third word. That's why I was.
Okay.
Ma'am, please one and second word again.
No. Third word I had not spoken only. Did I speak the third word? The third word is pollutants.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody write down pollutants.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat the?
Yes, I can
Ma'am, please
repeat.
repeat the first one. Ma'am, please repeat the
Contamination. Contamination.
contamination. Okay,
Then
ma'am.
sources. And then pollutants. After you finish your dictation, I will randomly pick up any 2 children to send their work. I want all of you to do the work.
Okay, ma'am.
Nobody will just sit like that with their names entered and you're sitting idle. No.
Ma'am, the third one. Ma'am, the third one was pollutants.
Yes, the third word was pollutant.
Pollutant. Ma'am, I was writing pollution.
No, it's pollutant. Then
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing.
okay, all of you have written these many words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The fourth
Excuse me,
word
ma'am.
is, yes.
Ma'am, sources or ma'am, source. Ma'am,
What?
sources. Ma'am is asking for second one.
Second word is sources, beta. Everybody now open your cameras. Now there is no point. You are not in the chat box now. You don't have to look there. Just be in front of me for this dictation work. Anjali, Imad, Swarnim, Divyanshu, Om Agarwal. Let me also see how you're doing it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, in the meeting there are so many less students.
The next word is refineries. Refineries.
Ma'am, it is fourth word.
Yes, fourth word is refineries. Written? Good. The fifth word is carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, it's carbon dioxide.
Yes. Swarnim and Divyanshu Dev, beta, please open your cameras.
Okay, ma'am.
Carbon dioxide. Then after carbon dioxide, we have the sixth word is kerosene. Kerosene.
Ma'am, what?
Kerosene. Kerosene.
Ma'am, what is sixth word?
The sixth word is kerosene.
Ma'am, can you repeat the word?
Okay, now till here I am repeating all the words. Contamination,
Ma'am.
sources,
Yes, ma'am.
pollutants.
Yes, ma'am.
After pollutants, it's refineries. Then
Ma'am,
after refineries, it's carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Kerosene or ma'am, it is kerosene.
What? What are you saying?
Ma'am, what is fifth word? Ma'am, it is carbon dioxide.
Yes, carbon dioxide is the fifth word. Which one,
Ma'am,
Divyanshu?
what was sixth word?
Kerosene. Sixth word is kerosene. Kerosene. Kerosene oil. What's wrong? What happened, Summer? Why is your camera off? Put it on. What happened? You have not heard this word before, kerosene? Summer? You are muted. What are you saying?
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay. Kerosene. Then the seventh word, environment. Environment. After environment, we have the next word, nitrogen. Nitrogen. Swarnim, are you writing? Huh? Do you have your copy and pencil in your hand? Are you writing these words? I will call out any random child to send me the work from today's class. So all of you better take this work very seriously.
Ma'am, done.
Nitrogen was your eighth word. Then the ninth word is volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions.
Ma'am, what is seventh word?
Seventh word was environment.
And ma'am, eighth word?
Eighth word was nitrogen. What is?
Ma'am, what is the ninth one?
Ninth one is volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions.
Ma'am, what is eighth word?
Eighth word is nitrogen. Nitrogen and volcanic eruptions. Everyone has done till ninth word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then move. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
All right. On which word are you, Iman?
Ma'am, ninth word.
Okay, good. Hurry up and write it.
Ma'am, for a minute, I'm closing my video.
Ma'am,
Okay.
please say again ninth word.
Volcanic eruptions. Written?
And what is tenth word?
Yes. Now coming on to the 10th word. 10th word is vehicles.
Vehicles.
So Anim beta, what are you doing? Do your work. Vehicles.
Ma'am, written.
Written. Then after vehicles, the 11th word is poisonous. 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 Okay.
Ma'am, written.
Written. Then after poisonous, we have the 12th word is substances. Substances.
Ma'am, written.
Everyone has written 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th.
Ma'am, what is 12th word?
Beta 12th word is substances. Substances. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the 13th word is stagnant. Stagnant.
Ma'am, what?
Stagnant. Stagnant.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, please repeat the. Ma'am, please repeat 14th word.
Repeat 14th word. I have not come on to 14th word. How can I
Ma'am,
repeat it?
13. Ma'am, 13.
13 is stagnant. Everyone has written till here.
Ma'am, please wait. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait.
What
Ma'am,
happened to
I
you, Summer, today? Why are you being so slow? Huh?
Ma'am, I also written stagnant.
And Summer, why isn't your camera opened? Like all other children? Open your camera and do this work. Stagnant was the last word, right?
Ma'am,
Then
ma'am,
13th word was stagnant. Okay. The 14th word is mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Written mosquitoes.
ma'am, please wait.
Someone, are you looking for the words in the book and then writing?
No, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
mosquitoes. And then the 15th word is dysentery. Dysentery.
Ma'am, written. Written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Okay. The next word is jaundice. The next word is jaundice.
Ma'am, written.
Then
Ma'am, written.
after jaundice, write down diarrhea.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Written.
After diarrhea, the 18th word is sewage. Sewage.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written. Please read 19.
The 19th word is fertilizers.
Ma'am, written.
Till fertilizers written. All of you have written till fertilizers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then write
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
chemicals. Chemicals.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Okay, after chemicals, the 21st word is awareness. Awareness.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Very nice. Then after awareness, write down degradation. Degradation. Degradation.
Ma'am, written.
Swarnim, what are you thinking?
Ma'am, written.
Write down beta, degradation. After degradation, it's pesticides. The 23rd word is pesticides.
Ma'am, what is 20? Ma'am, what is 22's word?
22nd word is degradation. Degradation.
Ma'am, written pesticides.
Wait, beta, wait.
Ma'am, written pesticides.
Swarnim, have you written?
Ma'am, what is 23rd word?
Yes, ma'am. I have written.
Ma'am, what is 23rd word?
The 23rd word is pesticides. Pesticides. Okay. Then the next word is after pesticides, the next word was. Have you written the word awareness?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Now I have to speak 24th word.
Yes, ma'am.
It is irritation. 24th word is irritation. Written.
Ma'am,
Then
written.
the 25th word is anxiety. Anxiety.
Ma'am, what is 25th word?
25th, beta 25th word is anxiety. Anxiety. Fine.
Ma'am, written.
Then after anxiety, write down the next word, headache. Headache. Headache.
Ma'am, heading.
Written?
Ma'am, heading.
Headache, beta, headache.
I'm written.
Okay, then after headache, 27th word is gadgets. Gadgets. Gadgets.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Gadgets. 28th word is neighborhood. Neighborhood.
Ma'am, 28th word is neighborhood.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, how much words these are?
Only 2 words are left. Last two words. 29th word is
Ma'am, written neighborhood.
29th word is unnecessarily. Unnecessarily. Swarnim, write down. Don't sleep. You're sitting in the sun. That is why you want to sleep, huh? Unnecessarily. Then the last word. The last word is controlled. Controlled. Has anyone missed any word?
No, ma'am.
All
No,
30
ma'am.
words you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
So now let's just check our work. I'm typing in the chat box. The first word was contamination. Yes, beta.
Contamination.
Ma'am, I have left ma'am one word.
Which word?
Ma'am, 21st.
The 21st word was
Ma'am, awareness.
awareness.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The first word was contamination. Now, children, see, when we check our work, you have to be very, very honest with yourself. Not with me, but with yourself. This dictation wasn't pre-decided, so even if you get 0 on 30, that's fine. Nobody is going to get a certificate or any medal for this work. Okay? Be honest to tell how many marks you scored. Fine? Then, the first word contamination. Now you have to tell how many rights or how many wrongs. Contamination.
Ma'am,
Pratish,
this one is my.
correct? How many wrong? If there is anybody wrong?
Ma'am, I have ma'am, contamination, my is correct.
Wrong.
Swarnim
Ma'am,
is
is
wrong.
correct.
Okay, Swarnim, what mistake did you make?
Ma'am, in last.
Okay, so now write down the correct spelling in front of it. Put a cross and correct your mistake. Rectify your mistake.
Ma'am, and ma'am, what is 9th one?
9th one is
Ma'am, volcanic eruption.
volcanic eruptions. Okay, what was the second word? The second word was sources.
Sources.
S-O-U-R-C-E-S. How many
Ma'am,
right?
is correct.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Very
is
good.
also correct. The sound talent.
You're
Ma'am,
correct.
I
Good.
also-
Then the third word was
Pollutants.
pollutants. Pollutants.
Ma'am, is correct.
Who is wrong in pollutants? Tell me.
Ma'am, I am correct.
Okay, all are correct. Imad, were you correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You are wrong?
No, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What mistake did you make?
Ma'am, I have written one L.
All right. So cross it and correct it and write the correct spellings now. After pollutants, what was the fourth word?
Ma'am,
Refineries. Now I think here many of you will be wrong. Tell me.
No, ma'am, Ma'am, is correct. Go and check it. Ma'am, is correct. Ma'am, is correct. Yes,
Okay, Anjali's refineries is wrong. What about Devyanshu Dev?
Ma'am, correct.
Okay, Pratishtha.
Ma'am, what is 24th
Ma'am,
word?
correct.
All right. What is the okay? The fifth word was
Carbon dioxide.
this one will be correct, I think. Carbon dioxide.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody can be wrong in such a simple spelling. Carbon
Ma'am, correct. Ma'am,
dioxide.
is correct. Ma'am, correct.
Imad, what about you? Is it correct? Carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, is correct.
Ma'am, correct.
Good. Divyank Premi. Yours is correct. Okay, then sixth one. Hurry up and tell. I'm going to type now very fast. Tell me the sixth word.
Ma'am, kerosene. Ma'am, kerosene. Ma'am, kerosene.
Kerosene. Seventh word.
Ma'am, environment.
Ma'am, my is correct.
I think environment can be wrong by many of you. Environment.
No, ma'am.
Environment.
Ma'am, is not wrong.
Have you written environment? R-O-N-M-E-N-T?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Very nice.
kerosene is also correct and involvement is also correct too.
Okay,
Ma'am,
hurry up and tell me the eighth word. Nitrogen. Nitrogen. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Volcanic
correct.
eruptions.
Ma'am,
Correct?
correct. Ma'am, correct.
You have written this, all of you?
Ma'am, correct.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is wrong in
Ma'am,
volcanic eruptions? Raise your
Ma'am,
hand.
I am wrong. Ma'am, I am also wrong.
Okay, so make the correction.
Correct.
Good.
Ma'am, I'm correct.
What is the 10th word?
Vehicles. Ma'am, vehicles.
Vehicles.
Ma'am, it is correct. Ma'am, is correct. Ma'am, is correct.
Good.
Ma'am, first I was writing the wrong spelling of vehicles, then I have written the correct one.
Okay. After vehicles, 11th word.
Ma'am, poison. Ma'am,
Poisonous.
poisonous.
Poisonous. Poisonous. Poisonous.
Ma'am, correct. No, ma'am, incorrect. Ma'am, I is correct. Ma'am, I was thinking that my poisonous is also correct. Ma'am, I was thinking that my is wrong, but it is correct.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
is correct.
12th
Ma'am,
word.
substances. Ma'am, substances.
What mistake
Ma'am,
children
correct.
make is
Ma'am,
they write substances. It's substances. Substances.
Ma'am,
Now
I
check
write
if it's correct.
S-U-B-T-A-N-C-E-S.
So that's wrong, Pratyusha. S-U-B-T-A-N is wrong. S-U-B-S hona chahiye. It should be
Ma'am,
S-U-B-S.
One is wrong. Ma'am, mine is correct. Ma'am, I written S-U-B-T-A-N-S.
So that's wrong, na beta. It should be S-U-B-S-T. Substances.
What is 20th word?
13th word, tell me.
Ma'am, stagnant.
Stag, N-A-N-T. Stagnant.
Ma'am, is correct. Ma'am, is correct.
What was the 14th word?
Ma'am, mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes.
Ma'am, mosquitoes. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is 20 word? Ma'am, is correct.
Beta,
Ma'am,
now,
is correct.
20th word was chemicals.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now 15th word. What was the 15th word?
Ma'am, dysentery. Ma'am, dysentery.
Dysentery. Dysentery. Yes. How many correct? How many wrong? Now here many
Ma'am,
can be
is
wrong
correct.
because you would have written dysentery. Dysentery. It's dysentery. Tell me how many
Ma'am,
wrong.
I break the words. That's why mine is correct.
Okay,
I break the words,
dysentery.
then I write it.
But ma'am, I have rubbed and written again. That's why my is correct.
Very nice. Very good. Then 16th word. What is the 16th word?
Ma'am, 16.
Ma'am, jaundice.
Ma'am, jaundice.
Jaundice.
Ma'am, jaundice.
Okay, jaundice. We call it jaundice, but the spelling is jaundice. How do we learn the spelling? We learn it like
Ma'am,
this.
is correct.
Good.
Ma'am, is correct.
Ma'am, is
Then
also correct.
what is the next word?
Ma'am, diarrhea.
Ma'am,
Diarrhea.
diarrhea.
Now diarrhea will be wrong by many.
No, ma'am, is
Spelling
correct.
D-I-A-R-R-H-E-A. D-I-A-R-R-H-E-A. Diarrhea. How many right? How many wrong?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
is
am
correct.
right.
Ma'am, is correct.
Ma'am, I am
Ma'am,
wrong.
is correct. Ma'am, is correct.
Good.
I am wrong.
18th word.
Ma'am, it is sewage.
Ma'am, sewage.
Ma'am, sewage.
19th word.
Ma'am, is correct. Ma'am, fertilizers.
Ma'am, fertilizers.
Ma'am, what is 24th word?
Fertilizers. 24th was irritation. Then what is the 20th word?
Ma'am, is
Chemicals.
correct. Ma'am, chemicals. Yes, ma'am.
Chemicals.
Yes, ma'am, chemicals.
What was the 21st word?
Ma'am, my chemicals.
Ma'am, awareness.
Ma'am, awareness.
22nd.
Ma'am, 22nd is?
Ma'am, pesticides. No, ma'am, degradation.
Ma'am, degradation. Ma'am, it is degradation.
And my 20th and 21st both are correct.
Okay.
Ma'am, 20. Ma'am, 22 is? Ma'am,
Now I have
22 is
written it on
degradation.
23rd number. No problem. 23rd and 24 have been swapped. We have degradation and pesticides both in the chat box. You can check it from there.
Ma'am, that's correct.
Good.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, both the words.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, both the words are correct of mine.
Very nice. 24th word was irritation. Irritation is there in the chat box.
Ma'am, that's correct.
Oh shit. Then 25th word was anxiety. Anxiety. Anxiety.
Ma'am, I'm thinking that.
Anxiety. Fine.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Ma'am, is correct.
Anxiety.
Ma'am, then
Headache.
is headache.
Headache.
Ma'am, then is gadgets.
Ma'am,
Gadgets.
gadgets.
Gadgets. Gadgets.
And ma'am, after that, neighborhood.
Ma'am,
28th
neighborhood unnecessarily and controlled.
Ma'am, neighborhood unnecessarily and controlled.
Neighborhood.
Ma'am, it is unnecessarily.
Unnecessarily.
Ma'am, then controlled. Ma'am, then it is controlled.
How many are wrong with unnecessarily? Unnecessarily. Unnecessarily.
Yes, S-A-R-A-R-I-L. Ma'am, mine is correct.
Ma'am, is also correct.
Ma'am, then is controlled.
Controlled.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
So here we come to the end of all 30 words.
Ma'am, 30 out of 29.
29
Ma'am,
out of 30.
30.
Yes, ma'am, 29 out of 30.
Ma'am, I have two, ma'am, 7. Ma'am,
mistake in ma'am irrigation.
Irritation. Beta, it was irritation, not irrigation.
Ma'am, I have written ma'am, I have written E.
Okay.
Ma'am, Maya 27 out of 30.
Very nice. Very
Ma'am,
good.
I is 29 out of
Ma'am,
30.
I got full.
Ma'am,
Very
I
good.
also got full.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
I got 1 box less.
Okay, Pratishta, what is the spelling of anxiety?
Ma'am, I got
Without
26.
looking into the book, tell me.
Ma'am, anxiety.
I got 26.
Okay, Swarnim.
Ma'am, anxiety spelling is ANXIETY.
Very nice. Open your camera, Summer. What is the spelling of Summer? Open your camera.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my
please.
mark is, ma'am, mark
Yes,
is
ma'am.
130.
Good.
Ma'am, 28, sorry.
Summer, what is the spelling of unnecessarily? Just wait.
Ma'am, the spelling
Yes.
of unnecessarily is UNNECESSARILY.
Very nice. Very good. And what is the spelling of awareness, Pratyusha?
Awareness spelling is
Why have you closed your camera?
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, awareness spelling is A.
Pratyusha, no. This is wrong.
No, ma'am,
Then, no, beta, why are you closing your camera?
Ma'am, I didn't close my camera. Ma'am, AWARNESS.
No. Now see, while speaking, you have
Ma'am,
spoken wrong spelling.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Swarnim, tell.
Ma'am,
Wrong. Muhammad Imad, you tell the spelling, but open your camera and then tell.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, AWAR.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, please.
Okay, Anjali, tell. Anjali, tell.
Ma'am, AWARENESS.
Very nice. That is awareness. Okay. Now, one of you tell me the spellings of diarrhea. Who will tell the spelling? Summer, you tell the spelling of diarrhea.
Ma'am, the spelling of diarrhea is DIARRHEA.
Very nice. Very good. Okay. What is the spelling of poisonous, Pratishtha?
Ma'am, the spelling of poisonous is POXI. Poisonous. Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, please.
Did I ask? Swarnim, did I ask? Did I take your name? Divyanshu Dev, open your camera and you tell the spelling of poisonous. Yes, beta. Hurry up and tell. This is the last word that we are doing. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, the spelling of poisonous is POISONOUS.
Oh, very nice. Very good. So here we come to the end of our dictation. You people did really well. That's all. Now see you in the next class. Enjoy your Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye.